Sir.
Hello, I'm Mr. Saran Godse. I am taking tuition classes in Miras. I am from Miras. I was suffering from belching since 2002. The belching were loud enough and they were last acting till night. The frequency was about 25 to 30. I was not able to take a sound sleep because of this belching. I was also a habit of drinking water in the night, that is about 2 to 3 liters a night, and due to which I was also getting some, I cannot get sound sleep. The doctors in my area had diagnosed that it was acidity and they have given me the treatment of acidity. I will also advise to take Panchakarma, including Vaman, Virachan and Svedhan, which I have also taken, but actually that was of no use and my symptoms were still as it is. But when I met Dr. Sandeep Kare of Shivasamarth Ayurvedic Clinic, Pune, and he diagnosed me that it was not acidity, it was the Vata, that is the Udavat. And that was actually surprising for me because his diagnosis was Vata. At the same time, he told me that it was of my over drinking of water daily 2 to 3 liters. He also examined my tongue, which was whitish in color, and that was also indicating that there was some problem in my digestive system. He also given me some treatment. At the same time, he advised me to take a basti for 15 days, including Sweden, and which I started taking in mirrors. He has given some medicines which I have taken for 1 year totally, and now the frequencies of my benching has been reduced to 5 to 10, which were 25 to 30 just 1 year before. My very sincere thanks to Dr. Sandeep Kare for his proper treatment. I am giving this video for as per the request of my doctor, just to give the importance of Ayurveda in the total medical field. I am not having any objection to show this video to the social media for this particular reason. Thank you.